Do you know your Windows PC is hiding some secret powers that most users never discover? Today I'll show you some rare and powerful command prompt tricks that can save you in emergencies, boost performance and even reveal hidden information about your system. So stay tuned till the end because these are not just random tricks. They are real working commands that can save you time. So let's get started. Ever wondered exactly how long your PC has been running without restart? Let's reveal the truth. So first go to Windows Start and type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Here type the command net space statistics space workstation. Then press enter. Now look for the line statistics since that's your last boot time. It's useful when you want to know your uptime or check if your system needs a restart. Want to prank your friends or just leave a reminder before shutdown? Then try this. So open command prompt as an administrator and type shutdown space hyphen s space hyphen t space 20 space hyphen c space system will shut down in 20 seconds. Replace the message with anything you like and then hit enter. This schedules a shutdown in 20 seconds with a custom message. It's great for fun or automating shutdowns. Don't know which motherboard you have? CMD reveals it in seconds. In command prompt type WMIC space baseboard space get space product comma manufacturer comma version comma serial number and then press enter. Now you instantly know which motherboard you have. It's great when you need drivers or planning a hardware upgrade. Want to know if your hard drive is failing? Don't worry, CMD gives you a quick health check. In command prompt type WMIC space disk drive space get space status and then hit enter. If it shows OK, your disk is healthy, but if not, it's time to back up your files. This simple check can save you from sudden data loss. Drivers causing trouble? Let's see what's broken. In command prompt type driver query space /v and press enter. It shows all drivers and their status, helping you catch faulty ones. Great for spotting outdated or problematic drivers. Need your BIOS version for an update? CMD tells you instantly. In the command prompt type WMIC space BIOS space get space serial number comma version and then press enter. No need to restart into BIOS. Everything is right here. This shows your BIOS version and serial. It's useful when updating BIOS or contacting support. Want to know if updates are secretly waiting? Then here's the command WMIC space QFE space list space brief space /format table and hit enter. This lists all installed updates and pending ones. Helps in troubleshooting update errors. Here you will see installed and pending updates in one place. Curious to know which devices are secretly connected to your network? Don't worry, here's a simple way to check right from CMD. Open CMD as an administrator and type ARP space -A and then hit enter. This will instantly show you the ARP table, which contains all the IP addresses and MAC addresses of devices currently communicating with your PC on the network. This trick is extremely useful when you want to know spot unknown devices on your Wi-Fi or double check if only trusted devices are connected. Ever wondered which account exists on your PC, even hidden ones? Then in the command prompt type net space user and then press enter. This gives you instantly lists all local accounts, including system and hidden ones. Handy for spotting unknown or unused accounts. Task Manager inside CMD? Yes, it's possible. In command prompt type task list space /v and then hit enter. It shows every running processes, memory usage and extra details. Helpful for spotting suspicious or heavy apps without opening Task Manager. Want to know your PC's unique hardware ID? Then in the command prompt type WMIC space CS product space get space UUID. Then hit enter. Every computer has a unique UUID, useful for software licensing, tracking devices or system inventory. Want to know how Windows boots up behind the scenes? In the command prompt type bcdedit, then press enter. It displays your PC's bootloader settings, including safe mode options, boot device and advanced startup settings, useful when fixing boot errors. Did you know Windows runs hidden background tasks? In command prompt type sch task space /query space /f0 space list space /v and then hit enter. This lists every scheduled task on your computer, including hidden updates, maintenance, and third-party software tasks, handy for spotting unusual and suspicious background jobs. And that's it. So these are 10 powerful and lesser-known CMD tricks that can make you feel like a Windows Pro. Some are fun, some are life-saving, but all of them are useful in their own way. So which trick surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helpful to you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more hidden tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.